Today we are going to learn from our lecture on the course book, Grammatic Accusative Case. So students, this is a very important case. The nominative case we have learned last year. Now this is the next part, accusative case. See, accusative is the object case where the verb has two elements, the subject and the object. And always remember, the subject is a nominative case. Now, the subject may be a thing or a person, singular or plural, which answers the question who or what, that is was. The verb is always conjugated according to the subject, and student, subject is a nominative case. The object may also be a thing or a person, singular or a plural, which answers the question whom means when or was means what. The subject is the doer, okay, doer of the action, who is doing the action, and the object is something on which the action is done. For example, sie sucht den Ball. Okay, so what is the subject here? Who is searching? Sie, nominative case. And what she is searching? She is searching the ball, which is accusative case. Same they have explained here. For this, the simple hint is, first of all, find out the verb and ask the question to verb. Which question? First is where, means who. Who is searching the ball? You will get the answer sie, nominative. Then what she is searching? Den Ball, accusative. Now why they have written here Den Ball? Because you know original is der Ball. Let's see that. See. One more example. Besucht seine Mutter. He visits his mother. Now who is visiting? He is visiting. Nominative case. You know the nominative personal pronoun ich, du, er, sie, wir, ihr, sie. And whom he is visiting? His mother. Accusative case. It's a object, student, direct object. Okay. Now see, they have given here the cases. Now why this is changing? In accusative case, these are our genders: masculine, neutral, feminine and plural. So we have learned in nominative case, what was the article? Der, das, the for plural and feminine. Now in accusative case, der changes to den, das remains das and the remains the. So only changes is happening to the masculine. So for this, it's very important to remember or to know the article of noun, like der man, der coolie and so on. Same they have explained this here with the examples. Ich habe den Führer. Who is having? I am having. I am a nominative case. What I am having? I am having the pen. Now original is there. In accusative you have to change it to den. Das Buch remains das only in accusative. Die Uhr remains die and die Bücher plural also remains die. When we will solve some more examples, students, it will be clear to you. Now here they have given the verb conjugation of Myogen verb, which you have to by heart. Myogen is to like. Ich mag, du magst, er, sie mag only. Okay. Ihr mögt, wir, sie mögen. Now this is somewhat irregular verb. Okay. So this you have to by heart. See some examples which they have given. Myogen plus noun we can use. For example, ich mag den Wein. I like the wine. Wine accusative. But Myogen plus verb is wrong. You can't say ich mag Fernsehen. I like watching TV. No, it's wrong. Then how to say this sentence in German? Let me write here. If you want to say I like to watch TV, we write it like this. Ich sehe gern fern. Fernsehen is a separable verb, a student. So sehe will come at the second place. Fern will go at the end. And gern means to like. Just note down this sentence in your book. Now, they have given some WH questions. The questions which I have told you to ask the verb. Okay, the first step to identify the cases: from the sentence find out the verb. For example, this is a sentence: Ich lerne jetzt neue Wörter. The first step, find out the verb. So what is the verb? Lerne. You have to ask these 4 questions to the verb. First is where. Who is reading? Oh, sorry, who is learning? I am learning, which is nominative case. So in this sentence, I is a nominative case. Then second question, what you are learning? The new words. Okay, so here if you will see, was can be nominative or accusative. If you have found the first nominative case, then next was has to be accusative. In one sentence there can't be two different nominative cases, so neue Wörter becomes your accusative case. Okay, now these 2 questions we have asked. Now you will ask me that what about the third question. So there is no need of third question. You can't learn someone. Okay, so this when is not applicable here. Okay, so this 3 questions you can ask. From this you will get the correct case. Some more examples they have given. Now what they are asking a student. First one, bilden Sie Sätze mit den folgenden Verben. You have to form the sentences with the following verbs. I'm gonna tell you the meaning and just one example. Rest you have to form yourself and write in a notebook. Sehen is to see. Kennen is to know. Fragen is to ask. Beginnen is to start. Bestellen is to order something. Anrufen is to call someone. Finden is to find. And nehmen is to name. To take. So for this kennen, I will form the sentence. Kennen is to know someone. So I can form the sentence like this. Ich kenne, nominative case. Now whom do you know? Suppose you know that man. So how we will write? Ich kenne man. Now man is a accusative case. Original article you know, it's a there man. In accusative it will change to then. I know that man. Okay, same students, you have to form the simple sentences for the first question. Now let's learn the second question, what they are telling us to do. Yes, ergänzen Sie where, was oder when. First one, ich esse eine Pizza. Okay, so answer is eine Pizza. What will be question? Was isst du? Second one, liest den Stundenplan. Then Stundenplan hai, subject hai, sorry, it's a thing and object hai. So question will be was lernt Third one, Petra bestellt eine Kassette. Eine Kassette accusative hai, thing hai. So question will be was bestellt Petra. What does she order? Fourth one, ich kenne Frau Braun. Frau Braun accusative person hai. So question will be when kennst du. Fifth, die Schüler lernen die Wörter. The Wörter accusative. It's a thing, but see the question. Where learned the Wörter? Who is learning the words? Answer is die Schüler, nominative case. Now here die Schüler is underlined. Now sixth one, ich lade meine Freunde ein. I'm inviting my friends. Whom do you invite? Friends, accusative person. Seventh, Gisela named then Cooley. Gisela is taking the pen. So was named Gisela? Pen, accusative thing. Eighth, das Kind beschreibt seinen Vater. The child is describing his father. So who is describing? Wer beschreibt sein Vater? Number 9, die Kinder suchen die Lehrerin. The children are searching the teacher. When suchen die Kinder? Whom the children are searching? Die Lehrerin, accusative. 10, ich zähle die Stühle. I am counting the chairs. Was zählst du? Stühle, accusative things. So I hope students the accusative case is clear to you. Now let's solve some more example. What they are asking us. Wortstellungen in the third question, verb position. Always remember, in a simple sentence where there is a full stop, the verb is always at the second place. Now see the first one. Bei Maruti arbeitet mein Vater. So your verb is arbeitet, which is at second place. Bei Maruti, at the place of Maruti company, my father works. Second, bezahlt die Rechnung sofort. Immediately he pays the bill. Bezahlt, again second place. Third one, zusammen singen wir Lieder. Together singing we are a song. Singen, second place. Fourth one, im Deutschland, im Deutschunterricht. So student, here instead of Deutschland, write the Deutschunterricht. My mistake, sorry. In Deutschunterricht benutzen wir das Wörterbuch. In German lecture, we are using the dictionary. Es tut mir leid. Benutzen is to use. Nummer 5. Viel kosten die Bleistifte nicht. The pencils doesn't cost a lot. Kosten second place. So you can either write in the first way or second way sentence. That's fine. Now let's do the last question. Endings you have to put here, student. So that's why for all these nouns which are after the blank, I have written these articles. Der, die, das. R, S and E. Short form I have written. Once you know this, you can easily convert into the correct ending. For example, here all these blanks are accusative cases because this ish, capital Z, du, these are your subject nominative cases. Now let's solve. First one, ich habe einen Hund. So der Hund we have changed to einen. Same. Ich suche ihr Kind. I am searching, she is searching her child. Okay, now here, or this is capital U also we can use, sorry. You are searching your child. So ihr is your possessive pronoun. Das remains das, so no ending for ihr. Nummer 3. Kaufst du keine Bücher? Don't you buy the books? Nummer 4. Wir fragen unseren Vater. We are asking to our father. Okay, so that is their father. Next, besuchst du deine Oma? Are you going to visit your grandma? Ich begrüße das Mädchen. I am greeting to that girl. Nummer 7. Gibt es hier ein Kino? Is there a cinema hall here? Nummer 8. Braucht ihr euren Kuli? Do you need your pen? Nummer 9. Ich lese den Roman. I am reading this novel. Nummer 10. Vergiss die Regel. He forgot the rule. Regel is rule. Okay. So, this was our course book grammar accusative case. In the description box, student, you will find the notes of accusative cases which you are supposed to write down in your notebook, and all the accusative grammar tables I have noted down which you are supposed to by heart. We will meet in our next video. Till then, cheers.